We've had plenty of milestones over the past few years. The day we met, the first date, the first kiss, the day I gave you that shiny rock. But the day I'll never forget was a random Tuesday night, February 20th to be exact. That's the day I chose you, Myriah. We talked in my Jeep for 2 hours after dinner, covering topics ranging from silly to serious. Driving home by myself, I was 100% certain you were the one I wanted to spend the rest of my life with. A 35-year search was coming to an end.
Robert, there was a time not too long ago when I thought this day might not happen for me. Then I met you. An uncertain certainty existed from the very first day, and we were both aware of it. In my own head, I tried to quiet the what ifs and the but maybes that dared to encourage me that this just might be it, the one. And despite my attempts, they never faded.
I'll do my best to help you see the bright side of things, and when there is no bright side, I'll hold you in the dark. I vow to do my best to live up to my best cat dead ever t-shirt, and will continue to do so as we grow our family. I vow to ask you every day, have I ever told you how beautiful you are? So many times over the next 50 years that one day you might finally believe it. I will love you unconditionally through the ups and downs and everything in between. I take you, Myriah and Don Kinley, to be my most beautiful, caring, and thoughtful wife.
Fate provided us with the courage to take one step that led to a beautiful unfolding of the life we share today. Here, in front of so many people who love us, I promise to grow with you, learn from you, and stand by your side through whatever life hands us. I vow to respect you, care for you, and share in all the highs and lows that come our way. Today, I take you, Robert Schumann, as my loving husband for as long as we shall live. I, Myriah Kinley, am honored and proud to become your adoring wife for as many years as the universe will allow us. December 14th will always be the first day of our forever and the best day of my life. I love you.
Myriah, I give you this ring,
Myriah, I give you this ring,
forged in love,
forged in love,
as a daily reminder
of
my lifetime commitment to you.
my lifetime commitment to you.
Robert, I give you this ring,
Robert, I give you this ring,
forged in love,
as a daily reminder
of my lifetime commitment to you.
you.
And now, Robert and Myriah, you have made your marriage vows to one another in the presence of this company, and you have symbolized the same with the giving and receiving of rings. Therefore, by the authority invested in me by the state of Maryland, I pronounce you husband and wife, and you may begin your marriage with a kiss.
Took me a while. I didn't even know she was seeing somebody. It was hush-hush. As time went on, I did finally meet him. I'm glad I did. She made a very good choice. Very good. And their family, his family on the other side, we didn't know them from Adam. We partied with them last night. I swear to God, they were one of us. I just wish them both, from the bottom of my heart, only the best.
I know you know, but once he falls in love with somebody, they're taken care of for life. Ask Booker. Welcome to the family.
I remember the day that she first told me about Bob. I could sense in the way that she spoke there was something special about him. There was excitement and happiness leading up to their first date, and when they kept dating and it became clearer that there was definitely a spark, I anxiously awaited the moment that I could meet this man for myself. To both of you, I hope this day is everything you have dreamed of. Everyone in this room is here because we love you and support you, and we celebrate the bond that you share, the life that you will live together, and the family you will create.
Bob, I just wanted to let you know how much I admire you and look up to you as an example of the man that anyone would like to be. You have always been a man of integrity, honesty, loyalty, and passion. And with these qualities, I am assured that you will make the most loving and faithful husband to Myriah. Being able to spend more time with her over this past, couple days, and watching how you and Bob interact with each other and treat each other, there's no doubt in my mind that you are the perfect match for Bob.